should we tell our viewers where we're going to?
Let them guess.
Let them guess.
Below.
The comments below.
Actually, probably might have the thumbnail already.
The thumbnail and the title, I think,
away,
right? Yeah, might give it away. So I guess we might as well just tell them.
The auto
show. Bro, we got media passes. Right there.
We're gonna get to see, hopefully. Richard Hammond.
From Top Gear. Let's head downtown. All right, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Richard Hammond. Morning. Richard, great to see you. Well done. Congratulations. We thought, what perfect way to have you arrive, but with seemingly 500 people lining the streets here as you come up. You weren't tempted to send it?
It would have ended up buried in that wall there. I have had a brief drive of it, thanks to Mate being very trusting.
Okay, so we got a Wrangler right behind me over here. We're gonna hop into it and see what the features are of this one over here and how it has changed, if there is any change. Let's head inside. It is open and we are gonna take a step inside to take a look and see all the features that this Wrangler has. Follow me as we go inside. We had CBC, which is a Canadian news channel, just film us. So might end up on the 6 o'clock news. The cameraman says we will. So yeah, quite interesting. Going back to the Jeep, this is new. It's been a while since I've sat in a Jeep. This is the 2024. I honestly like the screen over here. It kind of blends in with everything else. I'm glad they kept the gauge cluster over here, not like the Mustang. But overall, things kind of look the same from the predecessor. I still like the Jeep. It's fun. It's rugged. A Jeep is a Jeep. You know, it brings back a lot of memories. Never thought I'd actually be sitting in a Jeep again. Just taking it in. This wraps up the Jeep section. If you are interested in checking out the rest of the auto show, stay plugged in here. We'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, so a lot of you guys may not know this, but before my love for Jeep, it was Hummer, the H1s specifically, and now I'm looking at the Hummer EV right behind me, and wow, is it gorgeous. I think I could see myself driving one of these. I'm actually getting into one. This is the, I guess you could call it the pickup version of it. I'm actually just stepping into my dream car, my actual dream car. Yeah, let's just get into it. Enough talking. Okay, so I'm just taking this in. I'm honestly just taking this in. I love the whole boxy feel, the rugged feel of this Hummer EV. Like, my original fall in love vehicle was the Hummer H1, and I feel this Hummer EV has that same feeling of just wow. I could just sit in this vehicle, just speechless. I want to take this home. Okay, so for all my Jeep guys out there, what do you guys honestly think about the Bronco? It's as rugged. It's a Ford. Kind of has that same concept as a Jeep, but not a Jeep. I like it. I honestly think I do like it. It's rugged. It has a rugged look. You know, the size of the tires. Let's head inside. So let's add to this garage collection that I'm building here. So we got the Hummer H1 EV. We got the Jeep, obviously, and I would actually park a Ford Bronco in there too. The ruggedness, man, it's just like, look at this. Wow. So I got the Cybertruck behind me right over here, and I just wanted to give my 2 cents. You know me, big cars, right? The Hummer EV, the Ford Bronco, you know, I've always loved the Jeeps. And now we got this tank behind me. I mean, when it's actually in front of you, it's one thing to see it on YouTube videos and, you know, on social media, wherever you may see it, Google. But when you're actually next to this mammoth of a vehicle, you know, it's out of the world. It's surreal. It's not something that you would typically see on the road. I think I would add this to the garage of collections that we've mentioned so far. Unfortunately, we can't go inside it. It's locked up. We got barricades all around it. But very, very cool truck. Like it does have a cool factor to it, I must say. We're still not done. There's still a bit to go. So let's hit it up. Alright guys, well that wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed the auto show. Hopefully, just hopefully, we'll be back sooner than later with some more videos for you. So if you liked what you saw, please hit the like, subscribe, and for you Jeepers out there, just remember to empty every pocket, and we'll catch you guys soon.